Welcome to GodMath. In this video, we are going to look at work time problems in AFCAT exam. So let us take quick look at the concepts. So generally they give like A and B are two-person or A, B, C are three-person and they are doing some work. Okay, so I have taken A, B and C and I have taken one task. So let us see. A takes A days to complete the task, B takes B days, C takes C days. Now, if you want to find one day's work, so for that, let us say that you complete one work in 2 days. So you are completing one work in 2 days. So in one day, you are able to complete 50% of the work, that is half of the work. Okay. So in the similar manner, if you are completing a work in 3 days, so in one day, you are able to complete one third of the work. Alright. So this similar concept is used here. So A does 1 by A work per day, B does 1 by B work per day, and C does 1 by C work per day. Alright. So now let us understand if they give like multiple problems like you are having A and B, they are completing work in particular days. Suppose A plus B, they are doing a work in 5 days. So how to tackle this problem? So we know that A does 1 by A work in one day and B does 1 by B work in per day. So in one day the work done is this much. So if they are completing work in 5 days, so in one day they are able to do 1/5 of the work. So here you can write 1 by 5. In the similar manner, if they have given A plus B plus C, they are completing work in suppose 11 days and you want to find out like relation between these. So A can complete this much work, B can complete this much work and C can complete this much work in one day and they all together can complete 1/11th work in one day because they are taking 11 days to complete that particular task. So in this way you have to write the equation. So we are going to use the same concept to solve the problem that came in AFCAT exam. So let's solve this problem. So you can see on the screen this problem that came in AFCAT exam. So they have given that A and B can complete a piece of work in 8 days. So you need to quickly write down 1 over A plus 1 over B equals 1 over 8. B and C can do it in 12 days. So you are going to write 1 over B plus 1 over C equals 1 over 12. In the similar manner, 1 over C plus 1 over A, that is going to be equal to 8. Now they want us to find out in how many days A, B and C together can complete the work. So what do we need? We need this 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C. Now how can we get this? If you look at all these three equations, if you add them, you will get this sum, but only twice, because 1 by A comes twice, 1 by B and 1 by C, they also come twice. And this is going to equal 1 over 8 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 8. So now if you simplify this sum, so it will come out to be 1 over 3. Okay, so 1 by 8 and 1 by 8, that will become 1 by 4, and if you multiply with 3, so it will become 1 over 12 and then 1 over 12. So this much, 3 plus 1 is 4, so 4 over 12, that is 1 over 3. Okay, so in this way you can do the calculation. I hope you can do it on your own, so that's why I have written it directly. Okay, so now this is 2, this 2 is there, so don't forget this 2, otherwise sometimes they might give 3 in the option, so you might get confused. So 1 over A plus 1 over B. So this will be equal to 1 over 6. This means that A, B and C can complete 1/6 of the work in one day. So in order to complete the whole work, so you need to get 1 here. So you need to multiply this with 6, right? So in 6 days they can complete the work. So answer will be 6 days. All right. So in this way you need to solve these problems.